Hello everyone, I'm Carla Valentina Armeo. I'm going to explain the part 3. You had 1 minute to talk about a topic. First, read the text and prepare your answer. Then speak for a minute. Let's go. Part 3, question 1 of all university students show the part-time codes while they are studying. What are the advantages? In summary, working part-time while studying can provide numerous advantages, including gaining work experience, developing skills, earning income, learning to balance responsibilities, and creating new professional connections. Number two, what are the disadvantages? It's time to study. If a college students work part-time, they may have less time to study and prepare for class and exams. This can affect their academic performance. Number three is what is your opinion? Stress and fatigue. Working while studying can be exhausting and stressful, which can affect a college student's mental and physical health. Uh, Thank you for paying attention. Bye bye.